Okay, so you heard about Campnab and how we scan sold out parks for new availabilities and send a text message when one opens up. So you went to the App Store and you typed in Campnab and there was nothing there. And you're like, what the fuck? And that leads to today's Q&A. Today's question is, how do I download the Campnab app? And the answer is you don't. Campnab is not a native app on iOS or Android. And the reason for that is that you don't need it to be a standalone app. In fact, everything that you need to do on Campnab is through our web application, which runs in a standard web browser, and some text messages. And we've chosen to keep that experience as simple as possible because we think that makes it the most intuitive for you. Now, at some point in the future, we might add an app on the App Store, but at this point, there's really no good reason for it. So just visit campnab.com and search for the park you're interested in. That workflow will step you through everything. It'll verify your number, help you create your first scan, set all of your parameters, choose a plan, enter your payment information, the works. It happens all in the browser that you already have and are familiar with. Got questions? Ask in the comments below. Need one-on-one support? Reach out on chat on campnab.com or send an email to howdy@campnab.com. We're happy to answer any questions you have. Happy camping.